Is your software tool reporting the Adobe PM module DLL is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. This DLL file is the Adobe Process Manager library. It is responsible for coordinating background processes for Adobe Creative Cloud, including update monitoring, licensing verification, and cross-application synchronization. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. The Adobe PM module DLL is bundled directly with Adobe Creative Cloud and is not a Windows system file. Reinstalling the official Adobe Creative Cloud application package is the safest way to restore this dependency. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Adobe PM module file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. It is important to avoid manual installation of the Adobe PM module DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. Review guidance on library management and system stability by accessing the repair-related resource linked below for the Adobe PM module. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Adobe Creative Cloud from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.